Hey there, little friends! Welcome to our magical Christmas journey. Today, we're going to explore the wonder and joy of Christmas and discover why, how, and who celebrates it. Christmas is a special time because it's the birthday of someone very important, Jesus Christ. He was a kind and loving person who taught us about love, kindness, and sharing. Christians around the world celebrate Christmas to honor the birth of Jesus. At Christmas, we give and receive gifts to show our love and appreciation for each other, just like the three wise men who gave gifts to baby Jesus. It's a time for sharing joy and kindness with family and friends. Christmas is primarily celebrated by Christians who believe in the teachings of Jesus. But did you know that people from all around the world, regardless of their beliefs, join in the festivities? It's a time when everyone comes together to share love and happiness. Now, let's talk about how we celebrate Christmas. Families often visit churches for special Christmas services, where they sing carols, hear stories, and feel the warmth of the season. People light candles to symbolize the light that Jesus brought to the world. And here's something special. On Christmas Day, many people gather to listen to teachings from a very important book called the Bible. The Bible is like a guide that tells us more about Jesus and his wonderful teachings of love, kindness, and hope. Many families decorate their homes with twinkling lights, beautiful ornaments, and festive wreaths. And guess what adds extra magic? Christmas trees. Families and schools decorate these special trees with shiny baubles, colorful lights, and all sorts of wonderful ornaments. Now let's talk about the most important and our favorite person, loved by all kids. Any guesses? Yes, Santa Claus. Santa is a jolly, red-suited, and white-bearded friend who loves to spread happiness and bring gifts to children all over the world. He is like a magical friend who adds extra joy to Christmas. He travels in a sleigh pulled by reindeer, including the famous Rudolph with his bright red nose. Santa loves to visit homes and leave surprises for kids, just like the three wise men did for baby Jesus. And speaking of surprises, have you ever wondered why we hang stockings by the fireplace? It's because Santa fills them with small gifts and treats. We also decorate our homes with caps, bells, sticks, and twinkling lights to make everything look festive and magical. Oh, and here's a little secret, my friends. While Santa is wonderful, do you know who the real-life Santas are? It's our parents. They fill our lives with love, joy, and surprises all year round. Our parents are our real-life Santas, spreading warmth and happiness every day.
So we should always love and respect them. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Bye-bye.